Hello, YouTube friends. Thanks for stopping by. Let's get right into it. Yes, we're still on the Super Affiliate Network and how to earn online while making money earning. We're still with Bootcamp 6, but we're on number 10 now. And yes, I will be continually quoting what my coach Misha Wilson is saying and has taught me. For the make money slides, excuse me, if they charge you up front, they're scammers. Ignore them and move on. Now we're going right into the Super Affiliate Network slides, and then we'll be into the making money slides after the Super Affiliate. Now, obviously, I'm not going to charge you $66,961 or even half that, which would be $33,480. However, I'd like to ask you a question. If all this did for you was produce just 10% of what it's been able to do for me at the time of this recording and produce a cool $50,000 per month income, would it be worth $33,480? Honestly, if all this did for you was allow you to make a steady and predictable $5,000 per month, would it be worth the one-time payment of $33,480? Considering that with this system, not only will you gain financial freedom, but also time freedom. If all this did for you was give you an extra 3 to 4 hours per day with your loved ones, time that you'll never get back, and time that you currently don't have, would it be worth the $33,480? I'll actually challenge you to show me any other type of investment that can produce that return on investment. In the stock world, you're happy to get only a 10% return over the course of a full 365 days. You go to school for 4 years and spend just around 1,500 days that you'll never get back, and usually right around $50,000 if you're lucky. If you're not, it's more like $150,000. Shucks. Just to get a job that barely allows you to get by financially with zero real freedom. You still have to live your life on someone else's schedule, wake up to an annoying alarm clock, deal with pain in the butt rush hour traffic, and in the end, live a reality that you don't have any control over and which you're constantly trying to find a way to escape. If you were completely and totally content with your job, chances are you wouldn't be here listening to my voice and watching this video right here. Again, YouTube friends, that's not Misha's voice, it's my voice. If all this system did was allow you to quit your job and escape the shackles that the system has imposed on you, would it be worth the $33,480? I think you know it would be. Considering that I personally spent well over $100,000 to get the thing up and operational with the systems and automation that it now has. And as I regularly pay $300 per hour for advanced tech work to improve its functionality to, of course, allow you to hit profit mode that much more quickly. I really want you to look just for a moment at the immense leverage and power that I'm offering you here. A completely done for you A through Z solution that gives you residual, high ticket, and hands-free income simply doesn't exist literally anywhere else. This truly is a completely unique opportunity with more power and more leverage than anything else you've ever seen. So, at this point, you might be wondering what it's going to cost to get access to the pro-level membership here at the Super Affiliate Network. After all, as I'm sure you see, it's an amazing opportunity, and the training that you'll get access to alone would be worth well over $10,000 for you and your family if you just put it to use in your business. Now let's go right into the making money slides. Excuse me again. Get paid to be on a daily game show. If you're one of those people who can pull useless pieces of knowledge from out of nowhere, you'll want to download this app. It's called HQ Trivia, with at times more than 1 million players logging on at 3 and 9 p.m. Eastern Standard Time each day to play. You might have heard of it. Quiz Daddy Scott Rogowski is the game's main host. He asks 12 questions. You got 3 multiple choice options and 10 seconds to answer. If you get all 12 questions correct, you'll split the grand prize, around $2,500 lately, though it's gotten up to as high as $15,000 on randomly chosen special occasion amongst the other winners. At the time we wrote this, the all-time leader had banked $6,000. And hey, even Dan Rather is playing and winning. The HQ Trivia app is available for iPhones and now Androids. Pro tip: share your personalized referral code with friends and family to get an extra life. Trust us, you'll want it. Next is flex your mental muscles. Have you added a ton of random knowledge to your repertoire over the years? Use it to earn some cash. With the Quiz QT app, you can test your smarts on topics like sports, history, music, and more. You'll earn rewards points for every answer you get right. I'm sorry, you guys, let me read that again. You'll earn rewards points for every answer you get right. So steady up, Poindexter. The app also pays you for taking surveys and playing other games. We know you're hanging out on your phone anyway. Why not get paid to do it? You can cash out via PayPal. Itching to show off the history lessons you've learned watching The Crown? We thought so. Download the Quiz XT app here to start flaunting your knowledge. Start kicking. No extreme physical activity or pull muscles required for this money-making trip. All you need to do is download the Shop Kick app. Once you sign up, the app pays you in kicks for walking into certain stores, including Walmart, Target, TJ Maxx, and more. These can be redeemed for gift cards to a number of retailers, including Amazon, Target, Walmart, Starbucks, Sephora, and Best Buy. It pays you even more kicks for photos of receipts that include qualifying items you purchase in store with a connected credit or debit card. You could also earn kicks for online purchases. Bonus: you don't have to do anything. Your linked cards will automatically apply your kicks. We got an ultimate guide to start using the app here. Yes, YouTube friends, this is the end of this video. I need you to click or copy this link up above. When you copy, you need to open it up and learn all about the affiliate marketing network. And you will learn how much you'll need to pay to get started. Then I need you to subscribe, like, share, and comment. Thanks again for stopping by. Bye.